If you ever stopped to wonder whether artificial intelligence is creating the biggest financial opportunity of this decade or quietly changing the future of work right in front of us, could the skill that help people build successful careers for the last 20 years become less valuable over the next 10? Is AI really replacing job, or is it simply changing the why those jobs are done? And if you are not paying the attention today, could you find yourself struggling to compare tomorrow while others us use AI to earn more, save more time, and create new income streams? These are questions that millions of Americans are asking right now, and the answers are far more interesting than the headlines. By the end of this video, you will understand what AI actually means for your financial future, which careers face the biggest changes, where the biggest opportunities are emerging, and most importantly, how you can prepare instead of panic. If you enjoy practical finance content that help you make smarter money decisions, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Awesome Invest. Because every week we break down the trend shaping your financial future in simple, practical language. Let's begin with the biggest misconceptions. Many people think AI is either going to make everyone rich or replace almost every worker. Reality is much more balanced. Throughout history, new technologies have changed how people work. The industrial revolutions and transformed manufacturing, computers changed office forever. The internet created entirely new industries while making others less important. Artificial intelligence is another major technological shift. But history shows that technology usually changes job more often than if completely eliminates them. The important question is not whether their AI exists. The important question is how quickly people adapt to using it effectively. Think about your own workplace. Task that one took hour can now be completed much faster. The AI assistants write fast drafts, organizes writing first drafts, organizing information, summarizing reports, analyzing data, and even creating presentations have become more efficient. That does not necessarily mean companies need few people. In many cases, they need people who know how to use those new tools wisely. Employees who combine human judgment with AI assistance often become more productive than those relying on a traditional method alone. Now let's look at where the biggest financial impact is happening. Business consistently look for why to improve productivity while controlling costs. If AI help employee finish routine work faster, companies can focus more time on innovation, customer service, and business growth. This creates an interesting situations. Some productive tasks may become automated, but demand increases for workers who can solve complex problems, communicate effectively, make ethical decisions, and think creatively. Those good qualities remain difficult for AI to fully replicate because they depend on human experiences, emotional intelligence, and real world judgment that bring us the careers. Some jobs involve highly repetitive tasks with predictable patterns. Those positions may experience great automation over time. On the hand, careers requiring relationship building, strategic thinking, relationship, healthcare, skilled trade, education, engineering, cybersecurity, financial planning, and creative direction continue to rely heavily on human expertise. Even within industries expressing automation, now rules continue. Appearing companies need AI trainers, data specialists, cybersecurity experts, compliance professionals, prompt engineers, AI project managers, and people capable of connecting technology with the business strategy. The job market is not simply shrinking, it's evolving. Here's where the financial opportunity become especially important. The people benefiting most from AI are not necessarily software engineers or technology experts. Many are ordinary professionals using AI to improve productivity. Small businesses owners use it to write marketing materials, accountants automate repetitive calculations, real estate professionals create property descriptions faster, teachers organize lesson plan more efficiently, freelancers deliver projects quicker without sacrificing quality. The common factor is not replacing human efforts, it's amplifying human capability. That difference matters because productivity often influences earning potential. Employers value people who consistently produce high quality work efficiently. Entrepreneurs value low tools that reduce operating costs while serving customers better. Freelancers value systems that allow them to complete more projects without working twice as many hours. AI can become one of those systems when used responsibly. Of course, there are risks with what discussing honestly, relying entirely on AI without understanding the underlying work can become a serious weakness. If someone copy AI generated content without verifying facts, mistakes can separate quickly. Financial decisions based entirely on automatic suggestions can overlook personal circumstances. Decisions still need accountability, ethic, and critical thinking. AI works best as an assistant, not as a replacement for careful judgment. And other financial reality many people overlook is the growing importance of continuous learning. Decades ago, someone could learn one profession and use the same skills for an entire career. Today's economy changes much faster. Whether AI continue advancing repeatedly or more gradually, the habits of learning new skills may become one of the most valuable investments anyone can make. Fourthly, learning opportunities have never been more accessible. Online courses, certifications, educational videos, community colleges, and professional training programs allow people to improve skills at a relatively low cost compared with the traditional education. Let's also address income because this is the where many viewers have the biggest questions. Can AI help you make more money? The answer depends less on AI itself and more on how you use it. Some people build businesses around AI powered services. Others improve existing careers by becoming significantly more productive. Some create educational content, analyze markets more efficiently, or automate administrative tasks that presumably consumers valuable hours. None of these approach is currently financial success, but they can improve efficiency and create opportunities when combined with rare expertise, consistent efforts, and good decisions making. Investing also diverses attention because AI has become one of the most discussed themes in financial markets. Technology companies developing AI infrastructure have attracted enormous investors' interests over recent years. However, existence alone should never drive investment decisions. Stock prices already reflect many expectations about future growth, and markets can experience periods of volatility. Diversification, long-term thinking, and understanding your own financial goal remains more important than chasing the latest trend. Whether AI continues expanding rapidly or grow more gradually than expected, disciplined investing principles rarely change. Before making investment decisions, also always research carefully or consistent speaking with a qualified financial professional if your situations requires personalized advices. Now, here's something I think our viewer should remember. Financial security has never depended on a single technology, a single stock, or a single opportunity. It depends on building valuable skill, managing money wisely, avoiding unnecessary debt, maintaining emergency saving, investing consistently over time, and staying adaptable as the economy evolves. AI may, AI may change how we earn income, but those core financial principles remains remarkably consistent. So, what practical step can you take struggling today? First, become comfortable using AI tool for everyday productivity rather than fearing them. Second, strengthen unequally human skills like communication, leadership, creativity, and problem solving. Third, continue learning because ability is becoming one of the most valuable career assets. Fourth, focus on long-term financial habits, including budgeting, saving regularly, and diversified, diversified investing instead of chasing shortcuts. Finally, remember that technology should support your goal rather than distract you from them. I did really like to hear your perspective. Do you believe AI will create more opportunities than changes over the next decade? Or do you think certain industries should be more concerned about automation? Share your thoughts in the comments because respectful sessions help everyone understand these changes from different per- perspectives. If you found this video valuable, give it a like and share it with someone who thinking about the future of world or wondering how AI could affect their finances. The biggest lesson is not that AI will automatically make you rich or invisibly replace your job. The real lesson is that financial success has always belonged to people who stay curious, keep learning, adapt to change, and make thoughtful decisions instead of reacting emotionally to headlines. Technology will continue evolving, but your willingness to grow, improve your skills, and make smart financial choice will always remain one of your greatest investments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these discussions and want more practical finance instead explained in a simple, balanced way, be sure to subscribe to Atsam Invest. I will see you in the next video.